Shh! चिल्लाओ मत, सब सुन लेंगे. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It took so long for me to show myself, but please, don't shout. Yeah, and it's raining so hard. It seems to have fallen all on you. Every drop. What? तुमको क्या हुआ है? You are sick to death of me. How could I help it, love baby? With my mother glued to my ass, I couldn't shake her off even if I farted. Yes, my baby, this is not a good time. No! 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 Don't force me to let you come up here to me now. Because with this crazy desire I have for you, if I found myself together with you, pasted together and tangled up, legs, arms, thighs like braided bread, and if you tell me, I want you. मैं तो अभी तुमको ऊपर बुला लूँगी, लेकिन उसके बाद जो होगा ना, वो हमारे हाथ में नहीं रहेगा. Yeah, no, this is not a good time. तुमको पता है, पापा अभी घर आए हैं और इतने गुस्से में हैं, उनके हाथों में अभी खून है, क्योंकि गुस्से में उन्होंने उस गधे के टुकड़े 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 करके उसे मार डाला. And do you know why? Because that donkey the other night got himself loose all by himself and was riding all the time. The moon was riding in the sky. The nursing filly, and has definitely made her pregnant. Bastard. That's right, my baby. This is not a good time. It's not a good time to be found naked and armed with your standard only in my bedroom. My father is jealous also of me as much as of the filly. And if he found out that some other donkey climbed up on top of his daughter to graze like that, he will pull out from between your thighs the beautiful insignia that you brought along to make war in the battlefield of my bed. What? My dear, what is it? You're smoldering with despair now. क्या हुआ यार तुमको? Come look at me. Come देखो मुझे. Can you see me? Yes. Here I am, all ready. Hey, कोई आ रहा है? अंदर जा. क्या करते हो यार? अंधेरे में जा दिखाई नहीं दे. Can't believe it. You're so careless. See how you've ended up under the rain spout. Oh my God! Now you're sneezing. क्या गधे की तरह कर रहे हो? Sounds like brain, okay? My dear baby. See, I understand. You've got a little chill. Please, sweetheart, don't cough like a cigarette addict. You know what? Go away. Go away, still to me. No. I can't bear to see you go. Crazy I am, and you breath of my mouth, you've made me crazy. Kill you with caresses and kisses and then heat you up with bites and squeezes and pinches and then tickle you all over until you lose yourself in helpless laughter. Still you sneeze, my dear, what is it? Wait, let me see. Alright, so my mom and dad are sleeping peacefully. I'm going to do it. I'm going to call you up. Oh, look what you're making me do. I'm trembling down here. In my room. Alright, listen carefully, okay? So, from wherever you're standing, just walk straight right up, take a left, you'll see the green gate. There you enter the code 536777, alright? And then just come in. I'm waiting for you. But make sure no one sees you. अगर पापा देख लेना मैं बोल दूंगा मैं तुमको नहीं जानती हूँ. Alright, come. I'm waiting for you. is taking so much time? I really hope he doesn't miss finding the buttonhole for the button at the right moment. Hello? What are you still fussing with down there? Sweetheart, it's just 6 digits. 5, 3, 6, 7, 7, 7. How difficult is it? Ah, you did it. Finally. Yeah. Alright. Come up. Come quietly, okay? My mother has a light sleep and for nothing she wakes up. Come. I'm waiting for you. Come. Oh, yes. Come, my darling. My ruin. We'll just spoil her. Come. But shh. Don't speak with your deep voice. You'll be heard. Come. Come embrace me. Ah. What a beauty! Yuck! Couldn't you have shaken yourself a little bit like dogs do? See, look at the puddle that you've made. What is this? Okay, alright, sweetie. I will not scold, I will not shout, but shh, with your deep voice. See, even if they hear me talking, they won't care. यार मुझे तो रात भर बात करने की, बग करने की आदत है. But with you, it's different. Okay, come, let me undress you. Hey, don't sneeze! Or at least sneeze in a soprano like ah! See, I've got your cold now. Somebody's here. Somebody is here. Come. Hide behind this corner. No. Come on, my love. No, they're sleeping. Come, let me unbutton your shirt. Yes. Oh, why are you shaking like the leaves of a bamboo tree? Oh, are you scared? Don't be scared. Forget about Papa and his talwar. Come, let me kiss your chest. Yes. Let me just dry your shirt over there. Yes. Come, sit. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's smooth skin. Oh, what's it ticklish? Shh. Quiet. Ooh. Come, let me unbutton your pants now. Yes. Oh, oops, the button popped. Yes, here you go. Oh, my darling. Why are you scared? Even if you're naked on the outside, you're covered better than a sultan on the inside. Let me kiss you. Yeah. No, I'm not going anywhere, foolish darling. I'm right here. I have to undress myself, isn't it? But you want to do it for me. Yes. Here you go. Oh, don't zip my skin. Oh, you're like a rough diamond. Alright. Yes. Okay. Alright, you remind me of a hungry mouse in this cheese cellar. Oh. Okay. Sweetheart, to get into the fortress, you don't have to batter the walls. There's a slight opening there. And well, I've already surrendered. And what? We're already jousting. No, dear. Today, this is how it's going to be. Today, it's going to be my way. Yes. Alright. Oh, such a wild animal. Yes. Don't drown. Swim with me and take me with you. Otherwise, I'll drown. Yes, be with me. Be with me, my sweetheart. Be with me. Oh, like a sitar. You play all my notes. जैसे कोई नई बंदिशें बना रहे हो. Oh my goodness. Yes. I'm vanquished. I'm drowning. I'm falling. Hold me. Oh. सुबह हो गई। मंदिर की घंटी सुनाई दी ना कछुए वाले की आवाज। Oh, I forgot about this idiot. He's still here. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's morning, it's time to go. Get up, get up, get up. Get up. Oh my God. Yes, 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 please, please. My love, get up. Get up, it's time. Oh no, बहुत नींद आ रही है। नींद आ रही तो अपने घर में जाके सो। Come, wear these pants. Your shirt. No, sweetheart, there's no more time for another game. Na 2020 ka, na hi test cricket ka. Please, please get up, wear your shirt and get out. I'm sure you haven't forgotten about Daddy and his talwar. Right at this time, he comes into my room to wake me up. And I don't want you to get caught. So just get up, get up, get up. Go, 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 go. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Hey, not so fast. Not without a kiss. Yes. Alright, go. Bye. Hey, are you down there? You can leave the gate open. What? Why am I shouting? Why am I shouting? Well, because there is nobody at home. Nobody. Yes. Even the last evening and through the night, sweetheart, there was nobody at home. We were all alone. Look at him. He's already calling. Fun, huh? Well, I've tricked you. What for? Well, just for fun. Yes. My Romeo, for you, fear and trembling. For me, fun and games. क्यों मेरे मजनू? मैं बक बक करती रही, तुम चुपचाप मेरी हर बात मानते रहे। क्यों मेरे रांझा? You submissive and me dominating. You all wet and me thirsty. Well, I had to try it once, didn't I? See, every time we played, I have been the timid one. I underneath and the man above. Me, always caught. But this one time, I had to try it to be on top. Yes, Mr. Khilari, you came to screw me and I screwed you.